What's up, guys? We're headed to a tow right now. I think we're actually pulling up to it right here. Supposed to be picking up a Kia Sorento. He said he was in front of Brazos Point Fellowship, which should be this church right here. Luckily, looks like we got enough room to get around him. We're gonna... This is a really bad spot to be sitting in the middle of the road, so I'm gonna let traffic get by us here. This particular spot is right where we've worked a bunch of wrecks. One of them was a big pile up right here. Ooh. How you doing? Dustin.
Sleep, that's sleep, man.
So what's going on with this thing?
The thing is, it's the system that's messing up. Like, everything locks up.
Oh, yeah.
It's a Kia system. Like,
Gotcha.
The battery, when I got in the battery, and I checked up tonight, real quick.
And didn't make it quite there.
I was like, that.
Gotcha. Let me...
Lights come on, and it shuts down right as I was driving. So I was like, oh,
Well, at least you got it off the road here.
yeah.
Better being right there on the white line, you know?
Made it.
Let me snap some pictures of it real quick. Should be front wheel drives. Should be easy to pick up. We're off the side of the road, so that helps. Should be front wheel drive, I believe. Yep. Let's see, axle shafts there. And no axle shafts here. Cool. Yeah, let me pull up in front of you real quick. I'm gonna pull up in front of you real quick. While I'm still sitting here, I have to make a little bit of a jog here because it's kind of at a funky angle. Get my wheel lift down here. That I think will be good enough for now. This is where I really enjoy having my Wolfbox backup camera. Now you can see exactly how close to his bumper and stuff I am. Without having to pop out a bunch. That be good. How are we here? About perfect. Do need to back up just a little bit. Just that much too far away. But the good news is I can see exactly how far away I am. Loving that Wolfbox camera. I'll have a full review on very shortly. What's that? No. I'm gonna lift it from the front, so it doesn't need. I'll have the drive axle on the off the ground, so. What's that? Yeah, no, I've been watching it. It's slowly been getting closer the whole way. No, I was actually free at the moment, so it kind of worked out good. I actually headed to the beach when this call came in. I had to go swap from the Jeep to the truck. Close this one up just a little bit. There we go. Give me a little bit of boom up. Sit down. Go. Let's go. Really glad he was able to get off this driveway, because that road is a bad place to be working. How many really bad wrecks I've worked on this particular stretch of road. Tow light. This is the Towmate Saber. There we go. That's what I want. All right, should be good to go. We're gonna. Oh yeah, you can hop in the other side there. I'm gonna set it down real quick. Put my chains back on it. Going back down. All right, we're gonna settle up with the customer real quick. Finish getting the info and be good to go. We got the Kia dropped off at Midas. While we were there, we got another call. Also out on the same stretch of road on 332 actually. This one, we're hauling it back to Brazoria, but it's on the side of the road out here on 332 between Lake Jackson and Brazoria. So this time we're probably gonna have to deal with traffic. So we're headed that way. We're gonna see where we end up at. He couldn't really tell me exactly where on 332 that it was, but it's one stretch of road between here and there, so we just go from one end to the other, and it's like we're gonna find it eventually. So we're headed that way. We'll see what we got here in just a minute. All right, looks like it's right here. Turn our lights on. If I remember correctly, these things are front wheel drive. Oh, that is definitely rear wheel. Let's see. It might be rear wheel drive. Either way, we're gonna pull up here. Worst case, we'll have to turn around anyways. Alright, we're on scene. Customer's supposed to be meeting us out here. Gotta wait for a break in traffic, and we can hop out. And we got some storm clouds rolling in. It's about to have to start pouring, I'm afraid. Yeah, it is definitely rear wheel drive. I don't see. Yep, definitely that's what I thought. That kind of sucks. I hate towing stuff like this backwards. Now I gotta get turned around and face into the traffic. Ugh. Find somewhere to turn around at without always having cross traffic, because this is a really, really bad time of day to be out on this particular stretch of road. Good thing is this all forward turns pretty sharp. Just gotta make our way back across the road. Gonna sit here and wait for all this traffic. But the good, kind of the good part about this is we're gonna be nosed into the traffic, so hopefully that will help slow people down when they see a vehicle in the oncoming lane. I get to watch my wolf box. I'm so glad I've got that camera. I'll call that good. Whoop. And let it sit long enough. PTO on, get it idled up. Snap some pictures real quick. Looks like the customer just pulled up. Should be just about close enough to it to pick it without having to move again. I do one of these numbers. Let's get a picture of it. How's it going? How you doing? Yes, sir.
Okay.
Cool. You gonna ride back with me, or?
Can I?
Yeah, that's fine with me. Yeah.
That way she don't have to take
Right.
that.
Yeah. If you would, to stay on this side or have a seat in the truck, one of the two, and
Let's see this thing is start one time.
give her a shot. See what happens. Thing's clean for a, I think you said a 92. Thing's beautiful.
It's 1992 and it's all brand new.
You want to know the funny part about that?
Sir?
I was born in 92. So I was born in 92. This thing's literally as old as I am. No, just cranks. Watch your back there. You got some traffic.
How
Watch
about
your...
the wheels?
It's good. It's good right where it's at. I'll secure that in a minute. Is it locked? Is it locked? Good. Just watch traffic there. See it on this side. Stand on this side. People will run us over out here. Unfortunately, they don't care we're here. Let me back up a little bit more now. It's like it's about to rain.
Sir?
So it looks like it's about to rain. I think we might get wet on this one. Alright, we get to play Frogger. Right. Got a little break in traffic here. I'm gonna take that to my advantage. Put this strap on here. I'm gonna get my tow light. Stick it on there. Scrubby one? Yep. That's aluminum. Man. Stick it right there. That'll work. All right, let's see if we can catch a break in traffic and get you inside the truck. We're ready to go. I think I am gonna stick that out a little bit. Oh.
Man.
Looks like you was headed back towards home, huh? And then it
Yeah.
died on you.
I've done a lot of work to that van, man.
It's beautiful.
It's a 1992. It's a classic.
Yeah, no, that's a pretty little van. You don't see them that clean very often like that.
It's got a new transmission. All the suspension's brand new.
Really?
Everything underneath, the ball joints, top rod ends,
Yeah.
all that. But I don't know, man. I'm kind of nervous about trying to drive it to Michigan.
Right, yeah, no, I would be too. Try to
My
back
mom and
in.
dad are buried up there. I want to go see them.
Go visit.
Pay respects
Right.
next summer.
Well, at least you got some time to work the bugs out of it in between now and then, you know? I think that'll give me enough room to swing.
Are they going to give you a break?
We think I'm gonna make a break here in just a second. We got a little window. I'm gonna go ahead and take it. Thankfully, this truck actually turns pretty good for being a wrecker. All right, we got the van dropped off. Really wished I would have recorded that. It was torrentially downpour though. It had to go in a real tight little driveway and get it dropped off and everything. We were able to get it there, but it is pouring right now. So I opted not to worry about filming. I just wanted to get in and get out and get in out of the rain. So anyways, I appreciate you guys riding along with me on my jobs today. Hope you guys enjoyed the videos. If y'all would, subscribe, like, and share. See y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.